Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a little different than my normal review videos for the products. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use Capcut for free and export videos for free. It's $0 cost. Okay, so the first thing you do is you go to a store, Apple Store or Android Play Store, Google Store, and download Capcut video and photo editor. And then you open it. Okay, so once it's open, you hit the create project button here. So once you hit the create project button, you get inside this the timeline here you see. And what you want to do next is you want to import your videos, pictures, music, whatever files you need. In order to do that, you click on this import button here. So wherever those files are saved, you go to that location and pull those files. For instance, I can show you this video here that I created recently. So I have this video here. So how do you want to add to this timeline? Is there different ways? You can either click on this plus button to click to add to the timeline, or you can also drag down here and it just links to this previous video. So for that linking, there are certain options here. You don't want to mess with this right now because these are the linkage options that you have. So whenever you download Capcut, it automatically turns it on, which is a good thing for you guys. So if ever you seem like you are not seeing it linking, then there must be some options that's turned off, right? So yeah, so that's how you do it. So now that's the thing. That's the first thing, that you add your videos or pictures and audio. And for the audio, you don't want to use, if you have your own audios, you can use it, import from your location, from your drive. But you can also use audio from Capcut. But normally, if you're making videos for YouTube and you don't want copyrights, some music might have copyright issue, even though it's in Capcut and it's for free. So you might want to be careful on that. So I normally don't use their music. The only thing I use is sound effects. Yeah. So that's the media part. That's how you add it. So the next thing is, if you want to split these videos, and then let's say you want this part here to cut it, right? So, and this yellow line shows the preview of the video. So you don't have to like go and play it. You can just like toggle around and then move here and there, and then that's the line you get. And the shortcut for that is just hit S on your keyboard and then it'll show up. If you hit S again, then it goes away just like that. So if you hit S again, yeah, if you hit S again, then it just pops up like that. So that's one thing. So in order for you to split, make sure you click on the video you want to split, you want to cut. And whenever you do that, it blinks like that. It just blinks like it highlights the video. So if you notice these two videos, video is the one that I'm working on right now. So where do you want to cut it? So if you want to cut it here, you need to bring this white line here. You just have to click it. You don't have to drag or anything. You just have to click it and then on the timeline, and this just creates that line there to separate. So this is the split tool that we use to split the video. So once you hit that, you're going to split the video now. You have two videos, right? So similarly, you can go along with that. So if I want to cut more, then what I do is I just click on that. And in order for you to reorder these videos, what you have to do is just click on the video that you want to work on and then just pull it up and then rearrange wherever you want to rearrange, like wherever you want to rearrange like that. It's as easy as that. It's very simple. So that's the part where you split, right? So now if you want to add music, so let's say if I want to add some audio, and I do have, now all you do is just add, or you can also drag and drop like I did before with the video. So that's as simple as that too. Audios will always go below, right? That. And you can play around with the volume. So whenever you click, if you notice, whenever you click on audio or video, on your right hand side, you will see all the settings. So that's where you set all the video changes, change the settings for the videos. So these are the basic ones. You can transform it. You can remove the background, but that is a pro feature only. So that's why whenever you see a diamond sign, that means it's a pro or standard. That's not for free. So you might want to avoid that if you want to use CapCut for free. So retouch. This is one of the features that I love because whenever, especially you're taking your own videos and you don't have makeup on and you want to make your skin look like you have makeup on or smooth, this is the feature that I use all the time. So if you go to retouch and if you go to face and if you go to skin here, you have to check that box. Then you'll see here that you have these options as free, right? So here's a smooth. So normally all of these are highlighted because these videos, whatever I'm using right now, did not recognize any face. That is the reason it is not showing up there. But normally everything highlights and you're able to use it, even though if it's pro or standard, right? So this is the smooth where your skin gets really smooth. Like I normally use up until like 40 but you can play around with it. So similarly clear. So you have free, smooth option, clear options, as well as whitening options, right? So yeah, so that's the skin. And you also have options for face. You can do it, you can make it slim, whatever you want, whatever is free, you can just whatever. So that's that. Now we have this music part. So for the music, you can either, if you want the volume down to go a little lower, then you can either click on this line and drag it down. If you see, the decibel has decreased. If you want to go up, you can do like up and down, that's fine. But you can also move the volume from here. You don't have to use that line there. So that's another option. So that's the basic thing that you do. Now, there's a lot of things in CapCut that you can do, and that's for free. You can do a text. I have saved a bunch of, not just the regular, like for default, this is very boring. This is a boring text, right? You can get your text templates that are free. There are lots and lots of text templates that are free. You don't have to pay anything. So for instance, this one, if you see this, if you add this, and you can just expand that text template, and similar to the music and video, you can click on this text template and come here and scale it down depending on your video, depending on what kind of text template you need. So that's that. So you can change the text on the templates and you can just select whatever you want. Whichever does not have that purple diamond sign, those are all free. So these are amazing. I mean, I feel like these are like amazing tool that you can use for free. Yeah. So those are the stickers. Oh, sorry, text. Now coming to stickers, same as text, there's so many cute stickers that you can use, and those are all free. These are all free. You can do like a lot of different things with these. Create cute videos. Yeah, I normally not a big fan of transitions, so I normally don't use transitions, but I do use effects. So if you see, I have saved few of my favorite free version effects, video effects or body effects. Now there are two kinds. One is a video, which applies to the entire video. If you're talking about the effects such as like this, these are the effects, right? So if I remove this, if you see, and if you just like toggle, like hover around the effects, it'll show you how it's gonna look like. You don't even have to add it. You just have to make sure that you have the yellow line. So these are the effects. These are called the video effects. For the body effects, it applies to body only. So for instance, this one. So if you're doing this, I mean, this one doesn't have a face, that's why it's not going to show you, but you get the point, right? These are body effects. And there are a lot of them for free. But I normally use video effects for the entire video. And you can also make your video effects your favorite by just clicking on the star button. So if you see here, if I want to move this to my favorite section, then all I do is I click on that to the favorite section. And then, you click on that little star there and it highlights to yellow star. And then you come here to favorite, and then on the body, you'll see your body effects, whatever you have favorite, marked as favorite. That's how it works. So that's effects. One thing I want to show you is for the video effect, I also use a blur effect. So if you, in case you want to blur your video, you know, you don't want to show someone's face, you can either use blur, or this mosaic or this mosaic is also a very useful effect actually, and I've used this before. So that's effect. For filters, yeah, I don't think I have a lot of ton of filters. I used to use them, but yeah, you have ton of free filters. You can just play around and see whichever does not have that purple diamonds sign. Those are all free. So depending on what kind of video you're making, you can just play around. Yeah. So those are the basic things, basic things you need to know to create a video, a free video in CapCut like a pro. And I've done that so many times. Now, one thing I want to mention is if you are trying to make a video for YouTube, which is always going to be a landscape, right? So if you come here in the ratio, you click on this, then you'll see 16:9, which is for YouTube. But if you're making for Instagram or YouTube Shorts or even TikTok, then 9:16 is the one that you want to choose. But it depends on the landscape of your original video. So right now I have my original set, and these are the original videos. I mean, it's originally shot at a 16:9, so that's why I want to set it that way. But if in case you have a video shot at 9:16 and you place it at the front, so like that. Let me show you a good example of it. If your first video is 9:16 and your second video is the landscape 16:9, this is the ratio you're going to get. This is the type of video you're going to get. So you have to always make sure that if you ever include a portrait video with a landscape video, always make sure to add the landscape video before. Even though you might want to rearrange it later, but for the sake of creating a video, you have to always put your landscape video first. So for instance, like this. So let's say you know that this is the first video you need to put, but for the ratio, you need to put this first, followed by this. And you can rearrange that later on, right? So that's that. So if you see now the landscape, the ratio has changed for YouTube format, right? And you can always come back and rearrange it. That's not an issue. It will remain the same. So that's the thing that I wanted to mention. So that's about it. So once you're done with your video, I talked about the text, stickers, filters, effects. Once you're done, all you need to do is come to export, click on that export button, and you can either name your video, or if you don't think, you can even just leave it like that. And make sure your export location, you know the export location. And then resolution is important. So I normally take videos at 4K, so my 4K is fine. And the remaining settings can be left as is. These are all by default. And yeah, if you also want the audio to be exported from the video, you can click on this option. But normally I don't require that, so I just leave it and then hit on export. And once it's exporting, it'll give this option to you. And that's about it. I really hope that this video was helpful for you guys. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel to help me grow to at least 1,000 subscribers, because I really work hard to create this video for you guys. Yeah, I really like to help people. Whatever I know, I just like to share and transfer my knowledge, right? Yeah. Okay, I'll come back with another review or a knowledge transfer video whenever I can. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.